Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video, we will start a JavaFx Fxml project to work with TableView Control. So first we learned about the basics of TableView Control. Then we talked about the example. Now we will go ahead and start the project. Let's go to the demo. Now let's start NetBeans. We will start a new project, and here we will be choosing JavaFx Fxml application. The node here is JavaFx. Previously we selected JavaFx application. This time we are selecting JavaFx Fxml application. We will name the project as JavaFx GUI, and here the Fxml name is Fxml document, right? We will name it as Fxml table view, or we can keep this Fxml towards the end. Here we will change the package name as tube.coding.examples.javafxml GUI. Usually the package name should be in lowercase. So that's just the coding standard. Now we will click finish here. And if you see, JavaFx GUI project is ready, and it contains 3 files. So we know that this GUI contains the main method. So this will be our startup project. Then this is the Fxml file. So once I double click, it will open to the scene builder, and if you want to see it in text format, click on this edit button from the context menu. So for just for readability purpose, I'm just formatting it. We'll save it. So that's all. The project is ready now. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.